How to delete your TradingView account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on TradingView and wondering how to delete your account, then first of all, open the TradingView application on your device and log into your account. After you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner from the home page. After you're inside the menu page, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right, and you'll see a delete account button at the bottom of the screen. Before deleting your account, consider downloading or saving any important charts, layouts, watch lists, or other information you may want to keep. Once the account is deleted, you will lose access to them, so make sure that you save them if necessary. After you've done that, you can continue your account deletion. From the settings menu, click Delete Account button and click on Yes, Delete My Account at the bottom. Enter your password to confirm the deletion and click on Continue. Soon after you do that, you will be logged out and also delete your account in just a few minutes. Now you've learned how to delete your TradingView account. If you're sure you no longer need the account, following these steps will help you complete the process safely and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.